Alright, good morning. Bell just rang 50 seconds ago. I'm running a little late. I literally just got out of bed. Let's see what we can day trade today. Let's see what we can day trade today. We have LSC doing pretty well, but that stock is pretty pricey. Alright, I'm going to try to focus on MACD today. I'm going to try to trade front side. I traded three back, I guess it was three range bound panic. Unless this panic flush is down to 161, then I'll use 160 as like a max loss area. I don't want to take this range breakout over VWAP though, over 186. That's not something I'm interested in. ADTX, SCNX, and LSC. What's LSC doing? Ooh, gross. Gross. All right, what's gonna be the way? I'm not super pumped about trading ADTX just because it's a little out of my price range. I'd be more excited to trade ADTX. I would really like for a breakout of 2, maybe if it picks up some volume and gets back on some front side action. Other than that, not too much going on. I've got to be ready to see if this thing panic flushes though, because that very well could happen. Dang. There was no preparation today. Not like I feel like there's really with this strategy, there really isn't any preparation needed or required. Like back when I used to trade options, I used to have to map out my trade, see what the Qs were doing, see what SPY was doing, see what sector, what that specific sector is doing with the stock that I'm watching. So now I just kind of show up, wait for something to pop off, and see if I can find a good entry. That's about it. Much less time consuming is why I prefer this strategy, like the micro hyper scalping strategy. Gangsta. All right, let's change this screener and let's see if there's anything else moving that we're missing. TRNR. We're familiar with the TRNR. This looks pretty choppy pre-market, but topped out at 39. Put it up here, TRNR. Looks like this might lower band. No, we don't want a lower band. That's about to halt down. Look at that. Right at a halt down. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, oh, false halt. Ay, caramba. Buyers stepped in and saved the day for now. What is the halt down for SCNX? It's 144, so 20 cents under the lower band. Plenty of area. Jeez. Well, this looks like it's gonna be a day that we're just kind of chilling and watching, and that's all right. All right, TRNR. Let's focus on you with your little attempted VWAP breakout. Now, EMA is not there yet. I think I might try to take a trade at EMA if this pulls back. I like that strategy. I'll use EMA. Oh, come on down, SCNX. What's your... Do I really want to play another lower band bounce, or do I want to take this front side momentum? I would imagine probably the front side momentum, right? The quicker trade would be the lower band, of course. A quicker pop. So just for curiosity, let's see what the market's up to. Slightly red. Okay, CNX, whatever this ticker is. SCNX. Ooh, getting close. Got bought up. Didn't get close enough to the EMA. I wanted a little tighter risk tolerance there. 26 to, oh, it was only a cent. I stand corrected. That was only a $10 risk for a $40 reward. So that's 4 to 1. It's a 4 to 1 risk to reward ratio. That's solid. I think this candle is kind of deceiving because this thing only went up 5 cents right there. It looked like it was bigger than that. ATER. Oh, baby. We got some stuff going on here. ATER. What's going on with ATER? Trading higher if the company reported better than expected Q4 results. That's not super sexy. SCNX, is that what the one we were trading? It's not a super exciting PR, so I don't think I'm going to be taking like a VWAP bounce on it or anything. I think SCNX has potential. And I say that, and it's looking to TRNR. Let's keep that, and then let's keep this here, and then what was the one I was just on? ATR. Keep an eye on that. I'm gonna keep an eye on that on the side here, boy. All right, what do we need out of this thing? Oh, TRNR getting. Oh wait, no, it wasn't TRNR. What was it? SCNX. Oh baby, TRNR, you are cruising. What is the stock that I was just looking at? Oh, it was ATER. All right, TRNR. Looks like you need to be the focus. ATER is doing decent too. Very decent. Seller here, 135. I'm gonna focus on. I feel like I like this because it's really within my price range. Alright, don't love that topping tail there for TRNR. See if this baby's going to get above 190. There's 189. Here's 190. 190 getting chipped. Not very fast though. There's 191. Man, these things aren't moving very fast, are they though? No, they're not. Very slow resolution with these. Watching ATER over there too. There you go, SCNX. We need you to open up. We need you to open up and get a move on here. Yes, there we go. There we go. Now you're talking. VWAP's around 186. So let's see here. See if we break 2, and pre-market high looks to be 209. Nice volume of these last 2 candles. I like that a lot. Unless this one goes red. VWAP's at what? 185. Big green volume on TRNR. Everything. I'll take that. Half off the table. Take the other. All right. $35 trade. Let's see, I got it about there. That was a wicked panic flush. I'll take that. I'll take that. Another range-bound panic flush, though. See this here? This is still stuck in their range. That range right there. But the way that whipped down, I was like, I'll take it. So, decent first trade. We still have some more buying power left. Let's see what else. Oh, here we go. TRNR. What's my buying power looking like? Pre-market high 140. Looks like I can take about 500 shares here. Why is this thing whipping around so much? SCNX break 2. Break 2. Give the people what they want. TRNR 140. Another nice green candle. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice. TRNR, what's your pre-market? Do we know? 139 was pre-market high. Front side. I'd be alright with a little flush down to 133. Let's put an order out there low. I got a hotkey that has minus 3 cent. So that's how I threw that out there so quick. Just, you know, kind of going fishing for that one. See if I get a nibble. Get rid of it for now. VWAP's at 131. I was going to say there's like nothing moving right now. Green at 137. Green at 139. More green at 139, but it's not moving. The tape is just like green at 138. The tape is just like, it's not buzzing. It's not buzzing. What if I take another SCNX trade? Okay, I can take the same shares on either one. So seller, small seller at 138 here for TRNR. Here we go. Let's look for 2 here. Let's look for 2. 197. 199. 2. 204, 203. If it doesn't hold 2, I gotta jump. Yeah, boy. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. I might get shaken out here, but it's alright. It's alright. Don't want to get caught in something super nasty. Needed that to really kind of cruise up to pre-market high at 209 there, and it didn't. There was nice green, nice movement on the tape. right through too. So I actually got in a little high. I got in at 203 and some change. I mean, that's not super high, 3 cents, but it immediately did not go to 209 to test pre-market high. I was expecting it to kind of build up that momentum and boom, go up and test it at least at 209, and that didn't happen. So that is what happened there on that trade. So it looks like we are closing up the day up $17.32. I'll take it. I'll take it to, kind of putting together some green days in a row, 2 green days in a row. So thank y'all for being here. Much appreciated. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace.